We have main engine start. 2, 1. Booster ignition and the final liftoff of Discovery. A tribute to the dedication, hard work, and pride of America's Space Shuttle team. The shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery now making one last reach for the stars. Discovery's engines are now throttling down as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum pressure, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it goes supersonic.
Discovery Houston, you are go with throttle up.
Wheels Commander Steve Lindsay acknowledging the call from Capcom Charlie Boba as Discovery's 3 main engines throttle back up. Lindsay is joined on the flight deck by pilot Eric Bowen, mission specialist Al Drew, and Nicole Stott. Mission specialist Mike Barrett and Steve Bowen. Discovery's 3 main engines are burning fuel at a rate that would drain an average swimming pool in about 25 seconds. The engines, combined with the solid rocket boosters, produce more than 7 million pounds of thrust. 1 minute, 50 seconds into the flight, we're standing by for separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. Discovery now traveling 2,695 miles an hour. Its altitude 24 miles. Downrange from the Kennedy Space Center 29 miles. Booster separation confirmed. Discovery's guidance is now converging as the shuttle's onboard computers fine-tune the flight. Two minutes, 25 seconds into the flight, Discovery traveling 3,000.
Well, I don't know about you, but I just got goosebumps watching that happen. The Space Shuttle Discovery final launch from Kennedy Space Center. I want to go back to John Zarella and his astronaut friend there, Stephen Swanson. And gentlemen, Z, can you ask Stephen what that feels like? I mean, we just mentioned that it goes supersonic. How loud? What does that feel like?
You know, the question, of course, is, and what everybody wants to know, and Brooke was asking, is what does that feel like? You know, when you go through that maximum aerodynamic pressure, it's the elephant on the chest, or?
Yeah, you know, one word is acceleration. It's amazing, though. It's like you're on the end of your back, and I like a big hydraulic press just hits you in the back, and it never stops going. It just keeps pushing and pushing, and it's just amazing. It just keeps going. And then for that long, 8.5 minutes to get that kind of acceleration.
But yeah, we're waiting now, because Brooke, you know, the next major milestone comes up, as Steve was saying, at 8.5 minutes, when the giant orange tank there, that's the external tank, separates, and at that point, you're in space.
You're free floating, you're in space, you're done.
Well,
So that's the big milestone.
What's the moment of weightlessness? What does that feel like? We all want to know that.
Mom, what does it feel like when we go weightless? Well, you're strapped in, so you're feeling it, right?
Well, what you feel, though, what you see mostly is the fact that everything you had on here just kind of floats up in front of you, and you have to grab it and then put it back over where it belongs. You haven't done well.
You know, if it wasn't on right here, it's not supposed to be doing that.
I imagine they are.
You know, Brooke,
Yeah, I imagine they're very much strapped in.
Return.
Z, hang on, because I think we're going to quickly turn around. We have the moment of liftoff. Do we have that, guys? Let's play that.
1. Booster ignition and the final liftoff of Discovery. A tribute to the dedication, hard work, and pride of America's Space Shuttle team. The shuttle has cleared the tower.
After the fierce competition during the Cold War in 1957 launched Sputnik, in 1961 Yuri Gagarin becoming the first man in space, Apollo capsule in 1968 orbiting the moon, 1969 Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong walking on the moon. Here we are today. 2008, and 2010. 11.
Closet is one of the things
It's
that
like
we're
a storage area.
storage area,
Exactly.
because the station is built, it's done, and they're also
After every single launch we've had, this is the most successful we have had in 10 consecutive years. As you see, they are in space, and everything is going smoothly, except for a few chunks of falling debris, or not debris, but something. Everything is going exactly as planned, and I don't know if they're going to Mars or not, but this is the most successful launch they've had in 100 years. 50, well, not 100 years. I mean, they didn't have rockets back in 1911. But somewhere my grandpa is laughing.
could do this and return safely here.
This is it.
It's an amazing vehicle, and what it can do is fantastic, but it can't take us out of low Earth orbit.
Well, I know I've got to let you two go.
What it can do is just amazing.
It is amazing. I got to let you go because I have a feeling folks in the Situation Room want you to stand by because I know Wolf Blitzer will want to talk to you about this historic moment as well. But my thanks to Stephen Swanson and to you, John Zarella, for that. And how about that? We just watched the 39th voyage liftoff Space Shuttle Discovery. It's hugely significant, not just for this space shuttle, but the entire fleet.
There you have it.
Because these are the final liftoffs we will be seeing this year. And that does it for me here in Atlanta. I'm Brooke Baldwin, now Wolf Blitzer in Washington with the Situation Room.